Hey everyone! It's me again. Remember last time that I told you that I was afraid that I might miss my friends? Well, I do miss them a lot. I think about them like 24 hours, 7 days a week. Friends, and also my other friends. But tonight, well, to kind of relieve this pain that I'm feeling, this homesick that I'm feeling, I'm going to have dinner with my Colombian friends, new friends. And we are gonna have lots of Colombian food, and we're gonna dance Colombian music, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna talk a lot, and we're gonna hang out together. And I want you guys to come and enjoy with us. Are you ready? Bora lá? Bora? It's gonna be a party, y'all. I'm so glad that I'm going to eat. I love eating. I guess the thing that I like to do the most. Yeah. Besides partying, of course. I'm Brazilian, but yeah. You the apple of my eye, my collabo queen. You the only one. So the folks are here cooking. And well, I'm a terrible cook. I wanted you to look my way. I wanted to get closer, touch you every day. I want to get to know you, call you my baby. Yeah, everything. So who is from Colombia here? Matheus. Minnie comes from South Korea. Catherine, she comes from Colombia. Empanada.
Empanada.
Empanadas.
We also have empanada.
It's alive.
Put it down, yeah. Crazy how last weekend turned into a fling. All I want is your audition. Can you sing for me? I want melody to take me home. Please don't.
It's very nice that you guys are watching this because just dancing for us in Latin America is part of our culture. I brush my teeth dancing, feeling the moves. I guess every single Latin America does it too.
Yeah.
I ate so much that I'm tired now. I love eating. I guess the thing that I like to do the most. Yeah. I spent an amazing evening with those people. Those people are come from all over the world. Canada, Hong Kong, United States, from England, people from Colombia, Mexico, South Korea, people from India, people from everywhere. And it's an amazing experience that we can actually gather around and share everything that we know about art and about our living, our personal living and experiences. And then I'm really excited I can show that to you guys. So stay tuned for the next episode, okay? See you. Oh, and by the way, those two people there in that picture is me and my sister. Let me show it to you. I was so chubby back then. Look how cute we were.